Hey everyone, Zane with you, and today we're back with a new tutorial plus a review. Today we are going to review Instagram Edits app, and I'll tell you exactly how to use it. Okay, now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open the Play Store, then search for Instagram Edits, and here you have it, this application. Simply open it, and now you have this interface. Simply click on this plus icon. You can choose between the camera or gallery. I'm gonna use my gallery, for example. I'm gonna give it the permission to allow to all of my gallery. Okay, I'm gonna get this video, for example. I'm gonna check on the top right side. Then here I have the video, as you can see. Now we can do some edits to the video. I can add captions by simply clicking on captions, but there is no caption actually. I'm gonna play the video. Okay, it is just this 3-second video. I can add a text. Let's say that I want to add, I don't know. Okay, I will type headshot, for example. This is just for the demonstration. You can change the color of the font itself. I'm gonna click on headshot. Okay, I will choose the different types of font. As you can see, you have the bold, you have the playful. I can use this one here, for example, headshot. I'm gonna leave it just right here. You can choose between the animations. I'm gonna make it jump, for example, just like so. You can even choose some effects like the glow. I'm gonna add this one. It looks perfect. So I think that the application is actually very good. You can even change the colors. Okay, I'm gonna make it red, for example, or this one. This one is perfect, to be honest. You can change the brightness. Yes, you can change the saturation, just in order to get your desired color. Then once you're all done, click on the done on the top right side. Let me choose another thing. Okay, here we have also some other effects. You can choose between them. Okay, this one is perfect. Then I'm gonna click on done. So now we have added the font. I'm gonna adjust it like so. Okay, here we have it. Headshot. Okay, yes, we have it like so. Now you can do some more edits. You can split the screen, for example. I'm gonna split it. Okay, you can add a sound effect. Okay, this is gonna work. So you have to hold on it like so and drag it. Okay, here we have it. Actually, I'm gonna delete this one. You just have to click on it, then click on delete. Now, if I want to extend this, you can simply use both of your thumbs in order to make it longer, just like so. You can duplicate it. You can text to speech. Let's say, okay, I'm gonna Alex, I don't know. Okay, yes, here we have it. This will convert anything that I actually type into a voice, but I do not actually want it, so I'm gonna mute it. Okay. You can add a voice while using the app. I will give it the permission. Now, that was an insane headshot from me. Okay. Okay, that's nice. You can even add an audio, save the trending, original audio, etc. You can import something from your own library, but I will not actually add anything. You can add an overlay, something in the background. Now I'm gonna add this sticker, for example. I'm gonna leave it right here. Then I'm gonna export the video. So I'm gonna click on export. So now it's being exported. I have finished the video. It's almost done. Now we can upload it on the Instagram. So I will upload on the Instagram, as you can see. I will not add an AI label. I'm gonna just share it like so. Share. It's now uploading. Okay, now let's get into the review. Feature review. First, let's talk about the pros. The good thing is that it is user-friendly. The interface is clear and intuitive, even for beginners, with a timeline similar to CapCut but less cluttered. Native integration, export in 4K with no watermark and post directly to Instagram or Facebook, which is super convenient. Creative tools, green screen, cutouts, and AI animations stand out. The cutout feature isolates subjects like magic. Insights. The Insights tab shows views, reach, and skip rates, helping you tweak content fast. The bad. Limited features, no templates or keyframes yet. Advanced editors might mess CapCut's depth. Glitches. Some users report export issues or the app crashing with multiple clips. Hope they fix this soon. The last but not the least con is the Instagram only focus. It's built for Reels, so it is less versatile for other platforms. Advanced tips and walkthrough. Now let's level up. Use the green screen to place yourself over a clip. Record with good lighting for best results. Add voiceovers or effects like robotic for fun. Check insights after posting to see where viewers drop off. Mine showed a 20% skip rate at 5 seconds. So I'll shorten the intro next time. Batch edit multiple projects to save time and repurpose old reels with new text or audio. And that's it for our today's review and tutorial. I hope this video is useful to you all, guys. Thank you for watching, and please support us with like and subscribe, and goodbye.